Understanding checkpoint, a guide to usage and meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a term that you've probably heard a lot, checkpoint. Whether you're traveling, playing video games, or engaging in a conversation, this word can pop up in various contexts. So grab a notebook, and let's explore the different meanings and uses of the word checkpoint together. A checkpoint is a point of entry or exit where you may be stopped for inspection. It's often used to talk about borders between countries, security areas in airports, or any other place where officials might need to verify your identity or check your belongings. But it's not just for security. In many video games, a checkpoint refers to a spot where your progress is saved. If you lose a life or need to restart, you don't go back to the beginning. You return to the last checkpoint. When you hear someone say, "I've reached a checkpoint in my life," they're talking about a significant point that represents progress or a stage of development. It's like saying they've reached a new level in a game, but in real life. Similarly, in project management or during a task, a checkpoint can be a scheduled review or a goal that has been met. It's a stage where you stop for a moment, review what you've accomplished, and prepare for the next phase. Now, let's talk about pronouncing checkpoint. The word is a compound noun, made up of check and point. Practice saying it slowly, checkpoint, and then say it at a normal pace. It rolls off the tongue easily, doesn't it? Remember, pronunciation is key in making your English sound natural. Travel. Please have your passport ready for the border checkpoint. Gaming. I finally reached the next checkpoint, so I won't have to start over from the beginning. Life events. Graduating from college was a major checkpoint for me. Work. We will have a checkpoint meeting next Monday to assess the project's progress. By understanding these scenarios, you can start to use checkpoint confidently in your own conversations. It's also interesting to note that checkpoints have a lot of cultural and historical significance. They can symbolize control and order, but also division and conflict. In movies and literature, a checkpoint can set the scene for a dramatic encounter or a tense situation. Let's put what you've learned into practice. I'll give you a scenario, and you think about how you'd use checkpoint in that situation. For example, if you're talking about a personal goal, like improving your English, you might say, "I'll set a checkpoint every month to test my speaking skills." Thanks for joining me today. I hope this explanation clears up how to use checkpoint in various situations. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to set checkpoints for your own language learning journey. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing. Bye for now.